definition.
It's quicker, cleaner, and actually kind of fun. Yes, I said, math is fun.
So, what is synthetic division? It's a shortcut for dividing a polynomials by something like x minus c.
And instead of writing all the variables, we only use the coefficient, those number, in the front of the x.
Let's try an example. 2x3 plus 2x squared minus 5x plus 6 divided by x minus 2.
Step 1. Write down the coefficients. 2, 3, negative 5, and 6. Since we're dividing by x minus 2, we take opposite of negative 2, which is positive 2.
Step 2. Bring down the first coefficient, 2, just as it is.
Step 3. Multiply 2, which is our root, by the number you brought down. 2 times 2 equals 4. Write it under the next coefficient. Then add 3 plus 4 equals 7. Repeat that. 2 times 7 equals 14. Add to negative 5, you will get 9. Multiply again. 2 times 9 equals 18. Add to 6 and you will get 24. That last number 24 is your remainder. The other numbers are the coefficients of your quotient, negative 2x squared plus 7x plus 9.
So our final answer is 2x squared plus 7x plus 9. Remainder 24. Or if you like, 2x squared plus 7x plus 9 plus 24 divided by x minus 2.
And that's synthetic division. Quick, efficient, and perfect for polynomials of any size. Remember, practice is key. The more you do it, the faster you will be. Soon, synthetic division will feel like second nature.
And that's a wrap on synthetic division. Hopefully, you now feel more confident using this quick method to divide polynomials.
이기보는 뭐야 어떡해 뭐야 어떡해 아주